Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present to you the cryptocurrency market review presented by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Bitcoin has been declining for the 7th consecutive day. About a month ago, the key structure on the 4-hour time frame was a sideways range. Price eventually broke out, but it has now returned back inside the range. Overall, we can't really call this a valid range anymore. If anything, the move above the range on March 16, 18 can be viewed as another deviation or even a liquidity sweep on the daily time frame. The bottom line is that Bitcoin is currently in a correction phase, which makes price action more complex. Any upside move should be treated as a correction by default. Bullish buttons are either underperforming or failing completely. Last week, two bearish FVGs were formed. The price has already moved below the trend line. It's a green line on the chart. We expect the decline to continue. As for traders, we are watching the area below the daily trend line, as well as the 57,500 USD level. If this is the start of a new bearish leg, the key question now is where to look for new short entries. Bitcoin continues to form a full-fledged downtrend. We still expect a decline to about 57,500 USD, the 61% Fibonacci level of the 3-year uptrend, and there are currently no signs of a trend reversal. Even 57.5k USD no longer looks at the final stop. From point of interest areas, note only the nearest bearish FVG on the daily time frame, which is quite far from the price. On the 4-hour time frame, the latest FVG could theoretically be used to look for sell signals. Below, an obvious target remains the liquidity pool beneath the two trend lines. On the daily time frame, a downtrend is still in progress. The key sell button was and remains the bearish order block on the weekly time frame. As we warned, the move triggered by the signal can be strong and prolonged. Since that button formed, Ethereum has already fallen roughly 55%, about 2,500 USD. In the near term, an upside correction is still possible. The 4-hour order block has been invalidated, and Ethereum has left the sideways channel. Charts currently show only bearish FVGs as point of interest for selling. Buying in a downtrend should be cautious and short term. That's all for today. See you online soon and good luck.